Another interesting note is crater. You can create a moon surface or volcanic lands if you want. In a crater, you can make it a higher resolution if you have a powerful system. We have crater fields that you can simulate the surface of the moon. You can change the scale of that, some impact. You can change the depths of this fields, crater field. Can change density of that if you want more dense of this. Global, you can move them in an X or Y, just transfer it in direction. You can change the seed of them. And here you can just create one simple crater volcanic land here. So you can, in the floor, you can decrease the floor. As you can see, you can increase it if going up, decrease it going down if you want. You can create a volcanic floor. You can change the depths of this. Again, can change the depths of that. You can change the outer scale, of that, or right click to reset, or inner scale if you want it. Nice. Modulate. You can modulate the distribution between the wall, volcanic area. Give it more proportional to them. You can modulate them. Lips, you can create a lips here between the inner or outer wall. Can make it smaller. Yeah, you can see. You can change the lips there. We bring it to the default. Creator. I think we can better see when we in a high resolution. Yeah, now you can create a lips here. You can see better. Yeah. Okay. And here you can change the randomness seed of that just in global. Create a different volcanic shape. Nice. Okay, this is an crater. Interesting.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.